Fiddlehead ferns are one of spring's most unusual vegetables, tightly coiled, bright green, and only available for a few short weeks each year. They're packed with nutrients, but they also come with real risks if you don't prepare them the right way. Here's everything you need to know. What are fiddlehead ferns? Fiddlehead ferns are the young, tightly curled shoots of certain fern species, most commonly the ostrich fern. They sprout in early spring before unfurling into full fronds, and foragers have only a brief window to harvest them each year. Their name comes from their resemblance to the curled head of a violin, or fiddle. The taste is often compared to a mix of asparagus, spinach, and green beans, with a slightly earthy, nutty finish that makes them a favorite in seasonal spring dishes across many cuisines. Nutritional profile. Fiddlehead ferns are low in calories yet surprisingly rich in nutrients. A single cup provides a solid dose of vitamin A, vitamin C, and potassium, along with iron and dietary fiber. Unusually for a vegetable, they also contain omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. This mix of vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats makes them a genuinely nutrient-dense food, especially for something that's only in season for a few weeks a year and hard to find outside that window. Health benefits. The antioxidants found in fiddleheads, including vitamin C and various polyphenols, help fight inflammation and protect your cells from oxidative stress. Their fiber content supports healthy digestion and may help keep blood sugar levels more stable. The potassium they contain supports heart health by balancing sodium and helping maintain healthy blood pressure. Their iron content also supports red blood cell production, which can help reduce fatigue and keep energy levels steady throughout the day, especially during the busy spring season. Side effects and risks. Fiddlehead ferns need to be handled carefully. Eaten raw or undercooked, they can cause foodborne illness, with symptoms like nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, and stomach cramps showing up within a few hours of eating them. This happens because raw fiddleheads contain natural compounds that are only broken down through proper cooking. People with known plant sensitivities should also try them cautiously, since mild allergic reactions have been reported in rare cases among first-time eaters. How to prepare them safely. Start by rinsing fiddleheads thoroughly in cold water to remove any brown papery husks or dirt. Boil them for at least 10 to 15 minutes, or steam them for a similar amount of time until they turn fully tender. Never eat them raw or only lightly sauteed without boiling first, no matter how fresh they look. Once fully cooked, they can be finished simply with butter, garlic, and a squeeze of lemon for a fresh, seasonal side dish. If you enjoyed learning about fiddlehead ferns, hit subscribe for more videos on unique foods and their hidden health benefits. Let us know in the comments if you've ever tried them and what topic you'd like us to cover next.